her side. Morning breaking open wide, fence posts blurring streaks of gold, laughing like we won't grow old. Dust kicks up like we're on fire. Summer strong on wire and wire. Hair undone and hands in the sky. Didn't know we couldn't fly. No map, no measure of time, just her heartbeat next to mine. Vera, run like the world's brand new. Blue wide open, breaking through. Wild as light in a prairie storm, safe and reckless in your arms. We were thunder, we were young, chasing echoes of the sun, held forever in that glow. Didn't know what we didn't know. River flashing silver fast, fields leaning as we passed. Breath and wine and braided mane, calling out her name again. Barn light humming soft and low, sky still stretching into and slow. Swore the horizon didn't bend, thought the ride would never end. No clock ticking in our chests, just the rush and nothing less. Vera, run like the world's brand new. Blue wide open, breaking through. Wild as light in a prairie storm, safe and reckless in your arms. We were thunder, we were young, chasing echoes of the sun, held forever in that glow. Didn't know what we didn't know. Rolling back again. Vera, run like the sky's on fire. Golden fields climbing higher. Wild as light in a prairie storm, heaven humming in your form. We were thunder, we were young, still outrunning setting suns, burning bright in afterglow. Didn't know what we didn't know.
Past the last town, into the open dark. Out past the last town, into the open dark. Where the light can never reach, and the eyes of men can't see. And we're finally gonna be free. I swear we're almost there. I can feel it in the air. I can see it in your eyes as the heat haze starts to rise. Out past the last town, into the open dark. Out past the last town, into the open dark, where the light can never reach.